Welcome to Tape 3 TV. It's a pass and mover special here at Papa Free Stadium. It's Highlanders taking on Manica Diamonds. Highlanders won, Manica United won at Papa Free Stadium. Buddha Samushap,
Amna yeswi me Brazil yeswi.
I'm Ukraine. Ibone Janikim.
I came le matota mnempo ile mnashem. Why sesidlalela ama draw? Every time ngama 1-1. Si winner slita kuhle kuhle ibhola lidlalwa kuhle kuhle. Kodwa sagcina sesidrawile futhi 1-1 futhi. Kanti bafuna sesiphakwini nasazi ukuthi kusani.
What's the one game versus chicken?
Sokusele one game. So vele thina madoda vele lapha Highlanders haya. Dlala amanga vele. Ibhola sadlala sibili kuhle kuhle. But kodwa kusanayo. At the end of the game, sabe sidrawile kuyini khona okumadoda. Highlanders iteam elizweni okay siyawazi. But ama-draws emaningi madoda.
What's just the game Buddha say? Into ithathileyo isibindi abantu bephuma izulu lisina.
Karethi siphuma izulu lisina ngapha sigqoka ama-raincoat. Sisupport i-team. Why? Because iqembu salincane. Karethi atshabo abantu abanjwa ama-flu sisasupport ibhosi. Sinethwa lizulu. Ngoba ngani? I-team yethu sayincane.
Nice one, my brother. Thank you.
Ngiyabonga Buddhas, ngiyabonga my brother.
Shut my brother. GP.
Sorry GP. Boss. Ticket le GP. Ngayiphiwa ngabantu ababethanda iGP. Ngabanikeza yeboss.
But you know where I did.
Mina ngoyeboss ngenkani ngegazi. Bafana bami. I-team iyawa. I-team iyahamba. Omhlophe kubhodi abahambi. Bayehluleka abadala laba. Akusakwanisi abafana bethu ekade silabo kade sibathembele ku-strike force asina strike force babili sitholeni igame namhlanje sehluleke ngenxa yokuthi abafana bethu bebengekho motivated bengekho 100 2 we need ukuthi i-team yethu yabafana kube le structure mdala utry lo agent akahambi as much as ukuthi uDijong siyamfuna but ngabe labanye abantu hayi utry lo agent
My brother I came Bishop, but you are concerned as fans of Highlanders. In terms of chairman team and CEO whatsoever, it's very bad. Our players here Highlanders now, they are below average players. That's what standard suppose. This year Highlanders made a lot of money. A lot of money, but since October players strike issues like that. That's corruption. Abona team is iffy, the Matota's consent. So now my fans, let's get our cards. January keep Mhlope. Mhlope must go as CEO, must go. About Darabes says in Kulu must go. We need youth is any team. This is our legacy. This is our legacy. You are concerned. Msela Belko na Batala Weposos Katele Ngani as this is Zeno, please.
Now, my brother, keep on the game.
The game was so nice. The game was so interesting. Only with the condition disturbed my players, but both teams they contributed a good game to watch. But only our coach failed to utilize from the substitution of the opponents. He should have better substituter. Ithrilliana should have waited for 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Apaga 2 because they put 3. 2 were playing, the one was reading the game, but then but otherwise the boys played a very good game, a splendid one. Thanks for Highlanders. Thanks.
Kumele bakwazi ukuthi siyabasibhadala imali esizibhadala every day kusukela Monday kuze kufika uFriday sikhipha ama-dollar sicela ebantwini yabona ukuthi sizobuya eHighlanders but kubuhlungu ukuthi kube sekuthiwa equalize hayi no sikhathele igame ibimnandi sibili but ucoach wethu uzamile ngawo kamandla wonke but into ekhona esiyibonayo into leyo ukuthi abaholisa ama-players into kumele bayilungisise kwatholakala i-250,000 eyathunyelwa nguse-weekend but asikaze sayibona ukuthi isebenzele but kuthiwa isebenze ijirawo nangona ayibonakala ukuthi iyenzekaleyo yayibona into yakhona
Uvumelana naye Buddhas?
siyabonga o-accountant bebhosu namhlanje ayikuthi sibambise impage sibambise u-Ellen owayesithathela ama-girlfriend e-high school le umuntu odlala impage can you imagine that
Hey,
Amen. Sondela kushaya.
sithanda sizalwa sifike namuhla. Lesi siku relegation. Sabe sihleke Dynamos but silawo. One sport. Badlala namuhla bokusasa
Wonke abantu badlale namuhla.
Dynamos idlale nje. Angikwazi.
Ungadlali namuhla.
Kodwa kusala.
Ungadrowile.
Kodwa kusala. Thina sila. Silwela i-relegation. Sixoxa uKhayindu akutshintshanga lutho. Sabe sikhiwa akutshintshanga lutho. Utry woqala vele wayekhona asikwazi but okusala asikhushana asincedisane
Uvumelana naye Buras?
khona ngivumelana naye Budas. The bottom line is iyayilenda madoda. At this stage akumelanga sibe sithwele nzima. Next week somele silwe ne-chicken in. Akwenzi ukuthi skip i-chicken in. I-team yethu la. Ngangona i-draw because akhipha i-chicken in siyazala besifuna i-chips, sifuna i-chicken in, sifuna thina sibe lama team angu-3 la. Guys, come on.
Eh Buras yami. Njalo kukhala wathi uzothi bakhuluma kwebhora ngicela ukuzwe wena okhuluma kwebhora.
Angavile ngikhuluma kwebhora. Siyavele i-team yethu iyayilenda nje. Umkhiwa uDichong lo try abathena lapha thina sesiphonga ubulawa ukuthi likhiwa kuphela. Manje into esibulalayo kuphela. Kodwa vele into eyi-1 akutshintshanga lutho ngoba ngabala ama game ka try. Lama game omkhiwa manje. Umkhiwa utry lama draw yi4. Umkhiwa lama draw yi3. Utry ule win eyi-1. Hayi utry lama win ulamane. I think umkhiwa le win eyi-1 wathi ayibhikitha kuphela. Manje so vele ebhoreni umkhiwa thina siphonga uchaya ikhala kuphela. Akula lutho ngapha lezi ukuthi buku ngale yapha indawo angazumbi yaphuma esikhwameni sakhe.
Yazi into engithabelayo ukuthi uchayele Bulawayo Chiefs.
Ngama-team amuna vele akula kit engelayo koBulawayo. Wonke ama-team ngawami.
Nice one my brother. Ngizobuza uBudas.
Mina ngizokhuluma okokuqala mina kuma-coach zonke uDichong singamsoli okokuqala. Why isitojalo uDichong ube watshintsha igame kwayilinda inkinga ekhona ama-players bakhona abanye basebhentshini abafana abadlalayo ibhora
Njengobani?
banenge oPrince bakhona and then ingongongo lethu yazwa ingongongo lethu esidlala nalo ibhora lona kabafake beyi-behind bengafake bemkhanimeli ngoba why ngoba uyakhonsa ukurisiva amabhora but ngegame eyenzakale namhlanje into eyenzakaleyo namhlanje amagobhora first half bevuze sihloko singachiya ama-players phandle kulofana wethu ongena eqinini uda fuze ncenza lo meli ikhaya
But
uyabe phandle ngenxa yokuthi bona abadala bethu yibo bane-problem nikana ama-players imali ningathathi imali fake esikhwameni.
Next one my brother. Mana izubudas. Mthando benga.
Into eyenzakalayo ku-Highlanders inkulu kule kusemehlweni ethu.
All right.
Kufuze ungakhangela even iBosonayite is not performing. So i-problem esilayo ukuthi kufuze sigrume ama-players abade heart. Satshintsha uKhayindu safaka uDichong kufana abantu abathengisa inkomo balapha isidonki. Sathengisa inkomo salapha isidonki. Sikhipha uKhayindu sifake uDichong isihlulesi. Sathengisa inkomo salapha isidonki sibadala singaphi. Mina into engizibuza nokuqala uRauzi ulama-secrets kabani? uRauzi ulama-nudes kabani ku-admin? Ngoba angeke asuke kuKhayindu isizini yonke engahlohli sonke simdlalisa abafana bakhona oDaba bakhona oPrince bakhona ingongogo super player ama-players akhona uManinza noRauzi balama-nudes kabani? Abawakhipha siwabona.
Brother ngakhuluma nge-executive.
Asikhathi ngebhora. Ibhora ibona njani?
Ibhora uDichong is a good coach. Let's have him. It's my argument. Let's have him in another year. I like him. I like his passes. So igame le ngakhuluma ngayo iManica Diamonds ibidinga layo ipoint lathi besidinga ama-points. So kunzima madoda esikhona kunzima kutight yuthi amadoda abona sesingaye esikhwakhweni sesingaye emafutheni. So into engayitsho mina ngikhuluma ngokuthi ama-players aholiswe njalo i-executive yonke ayikhitshwe. Angiyithandi i-executive, please angiyithandi.
Alright.
Ngoba abantu babuya ukuzonotha kubhoso ngokuthi umuntu kanamali. Please abangabuyi bezonotha ngeke ungayivali my brother. Kubhoso abangayivali bengabuyi bezonotha.
Uyabuya brother. Masudu.
Ashera Skibani.
Amnayisaba brother. Ibona njani game?
Ashera namhlanje oqala baboyikothile uRayush uboyikothile asoyinto angayikhutha 2 ereli asoyinto emngena la engeno yiphisi yi2 3 undoda lo khulume ngokhothi lokho akafana ukuthi ukhipha uKhayindu sifaka uDijong kafana lokuthi yikujampa umchamo seqele kakeni jampa umchamo seqele kakeni wathola sile 16 points ahead manje akula lutho uDijong ahamba akula into asenzela yona uexecutive ayihamba akula into asenzela yona bafaka u32 lola kumbe ngowesnooker kumbe ngowani lo nyambo lola kumbe ngowesnooker kumbe ngowani uDijong ahamba
Mara ngizokhwinzi yabuya kwethe Quincy John.
Okay, but I was lovely with the game. No problem with the coaches, no problem with the players. I would have to say well done, Andrew Mbeba. The victory reality, there's no problem with the team, but the problem where the sabotage is Zimbabwe International Football Association, where they sabotage other teams.
Like which one?
Like the referees, what they did. So the FIFA wave the chair, mustn't biased. The referees mustn't biased.
Oh, this one was biased.
They are biased.
Oh, all of them.
Yes, that's what they are. But the fact that mina igame ngiyibonile sibilacho lapho angisole kuhle umuntu osola uDijong une problem is no problem uDijong uright that's why ubona ibhora u12 lona he was a player umfana lo 12 lona umncane kodwa umfana lo yakhatshana lo I got this umfana lona uAndrew Mbeba usebenzile and then Melikaya khaya nakho lapha kusekhaya Melikaya Dijong hoye Dijong siyabonga noma singanama points ngawe but siyakuthanda Dijong. Welcome to Highlanders and then next year 2027 sebesilawo 2026 and sebesila welcome to Dijong siyakufuna la
Nice one. Mana uyaphendula mana ngizobuja story khala
mina utela ngisuba natitswala wana sebetanye
mana ngizobuja sinyabuya kude
kodwa
ibona njani game igame ibona njani
igame ngiyibonile
ibinjani
kodwa izakhala ngayo wana izakhala nguMangoyi yamazi Mangoyi good
uyokhala ngayo
hayi okade zinkhala ngayo kodwa kulo muntu ongurwati muzi
anti bamxotsha lona
bamxotsha and ulama wina mangaka
mana ngizobuja
yakhuluma ngaqedela la ungakhulumi nomunye waqedela
ngifuna ukunika umuntu
uthe ulama wina mangaka
akwazi lama mangaka
ngicela ubalama wini kaRwadi muzi ubalama Cross
ngabani kaMangoyi
hayi ngumama ngomuntu obizolo ngaba simfuyile umdlwane
Mara ngiziphuza.
Thina we've been following Highlanders. U-Errol ngesikhathi mina ngifunda eThekwani wayesembaba. Right. Okay, saved the team man with utmost distinction.
17 years.
Yes, with utmost distinction. Of course, ulomnyama ukuthi kala a crown or something. But Tina Gideon, Highlanders is not a team we support. It's a religion. And Tina Highlanders ingahamba ngale the other side of Ilo Kuzenini. Sesikhipha ama-t-shirt lawo. Sihamba siyawayenga. Angeke mbuye iPF eqaliswa ba. Akuvela kuvumi khonokho. Highlanders is not a team we support. Kithi it's a religion and for that reason but ayisoziphuma siyaza ukuthi ulama plans ukuthi kungeniswe 20 teams ku-league apha emakhaya. So in that same vein was saying Highlanders is the oldest team in the league. That is known. Konkana but abafana bachovile la ubonile what problem number 1 ekhona ku league yethu le. We can't have our coach being sponsored by umuntu le team la ku same league. Konkana it's wrong because it manipulates our results especially to us. Thina singabantwana, this is the only thing that we have ngapha this side of Shangani River, if you know what I mean.
I know what I mean.
If you know what I mean.
I know exactly.
This is the only thing that is our voice. And so, guys, Islanders, parikutiwana sipra. Abutiwana asi. Hashtag usalwandle na.
Mele simboli salwandle. Yes, salwandle. Mara is my brother salwandle. My brother.
Mina nsoli luchiporana namu. Abafana badlalile sibili. But the problem abafana bethu on off. Week in, week out, babe on when in babe off, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. But ayinamhlanje nsoli lutho sibili. Bafighting. Yes, sibe nomnyama kuphela ukuthi singatholi i-second goal. But
Mara is umdala yara, mdala.
Umntwana omnyama umuntu ofile akula mntwana omnyama. Umuntu omnyama umuntu ongasekho emhlabeni. Thina sikhona. Yithina and then asinawo lo ulwazi olutheni olungaphambili kwalabana abantu kodwa siyalwazi thina ezinye izinto siyazazi asikwazi ukukhuluma namhlanje ngokuthi singakhuluma something ezinye izinto sikhuluma sikhuluma politically but ibhora mina I like football, that's why I'm here, that's why I'm in a team because mina ngivele ngi-football eneya and then about the Highlander iyalenda ngizakuthiwa iyashota ngemali kuthini what I'm not a headmaster, I'm not a professional in money, I'm not a maninator. But you're not a maninator. I'm not a maninator.
Chamjana. Usama ezes pambaniza. Paradise boreja dike.
Ai kema ai. You balance. But refu why my refu is just disappointed so one. I'm a refu our balance is with the good into the season. As more very honest catcher and my refu. I refu I want to be right this video to be right the problem balance refs and the lens mean
if you suspend load of suspend.
Aye, even if I'm suspended, I stand up, but it's just fair play.
Always.
Yabon. Engabi one sided. Sawas that is laying the relegation. But engayenze njalo kuze ukhanye.
The good thing is amateam wonke nganadraw.
Amateams awe balance sibira.
Ngithi wonke nje general ku league ngani wonke adraw.
Singazi kusasa.
Akule wonke adlala namuhla.
Nje sekukhuluma kuyini? Apha namhlanje. Sesibalance akubalance kuhle sibili. That is lokho singa phezulu. Kodwa orefa bayenze.
Nice one my brother.
So ngani ba against ama big teams. Ungakhangela kuhle kudla so ngani ba balance ba balance ngapha phansi ama small teams bafuna ukukhipha ama big teams ama Rosen.
Hayi awuphumi. Izifa
very asinda.
Kule isho ukuthi izifa ngani fungezelele ifake 20 ama team uyibona njani?
Hayi lokona sebengancedisa obruru bethu ngale abangale. But hayi thina
Nice
thina
one.
sisefunyana
Nice one, my brother.
singazi but hayi ngiyabonga
Nice one, my
bari
brother.
oref siyacela even though even next season
Yes.
oref ababefeki
Yes.
cela i-fairness ebhoreni
Kuphela.
imali hayi imali siyayifuna sibili but ref ayifuni ngaleyo ndlela.
Yes. Sharp, my brother.
Hayi sharp
Sharp, my brother.
sharp.
It has been another interesting episode here at Papa Field Stadium. It finished Highlanders 1, Manica Diamonds 1. You bet yourself from the fans. If you're watching for the first time, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.